Many people do not want to install Google Analytics on their websites. They are not comfortable with this as they think they might be giving too much data to Google. But then, most of these people also use black hat techniques and they have several good reasons not to give too much data to Google. Anyone using black hat methods would not want to have Google Analytics on their sites or add their sites to Google Webmaster Tools. But here, we are not using any black hat methods, so there's no reason not to have Google Analytics on your site. In fact, it will be good to have Google Analytics tracking your visitors and page views because you will be getting to know a lot about how visitors to your site are behaving. So, let's go ahead and add the site to Google Analytics. You will want to do this only once you have a few pages of content on your site. We do not have any content right now, but then this is only a demo site. To add Google Analytics to your site, Google needs you to prove your site ownership. You will need to place a piece of code they give you on every page of your site. Let's log into Google Analytics using the email created for this site. We now need to sign up. We need to choose website here. It needs an account name. I need to choose a time zone. I'm in India. You don't need to change any of these. We'll get a tracking ID. We need to accept their terms of service. Once you accept their terms of service, Google gives you this piece of code. We need to place this piece of code on every page of our website. There are a couple of ways we can do this in. We copy this piece of code and we go to this header and footer plugin and if you are going to do it this way, you will need to paste that piece of code in the footer and save. You would not want to paste any piece of code here because that can slow down your site. You want all such code to be in the footer. If you click save, the site is now added to Google Analytics. There is another way you can do this. Let's delete this first. There's this plugin you can use for analytics, Google Analytics by Monster Insights. We'll install the plugin. Let's now get to the settings. We are now in the plugin settings and we need to authenticate with our Google account. This piece of code Google gives, we'll need to copy this and paste it here. Let's now select this profile We will save changes. And that's it. We now have the site linked to the analytics account.